Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay August 29, 2025 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong August 29, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, August 29, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 29, 2025 Friday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, August 29, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of August 29, 2025 Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.